Hey there, welcome to another episode of our Sanjeev Mishra. I'm Sanjeev Mishra, and today the question is, what attracted you towards digital marketing industry? Now this is a very interesting question because that attraction it goes back to 2008, 2007, and right now I'm doing this since last 9 years. So what I really love in this field is dynamic of this field, or dynamic how it changes, because this field is like it keeps changing. There are so many things which you can do, and there are so many platforms and tools which will come, and then it will go away, and then other tool will come, and you can measure your success. Whatever you are doing, you can analyze it, you can track it. I really love this part. And apart from that, I really love the freedom that you get over here in digital marketing. When I was working in different industry, at the time it was very lethargic system. The same thing you have to do day and every day. But here in this field, you are getting opportunity to try new things, right? You have so many things here. Like when you are working on search and optimization, you are competing with other websites, and you are trying your best to come on top. You are tracking your keyword position. You are tracking your website performance, right? When it comes to social media, there also you are seeing how people are reacting to your updates, what feedback they are giving, right? Based on that, you are working, and then you are fixing, and then you are growing from there. So these are few things again, like without doing any traditional MBA or any marketing education, you can run ads, you can design your ads, you can see how it is working, you can see the feedback, you can see engagement on your ads, and you can track whether it is working or not. All these things you can do by just using your laptop and internet connection. So this freedom where you can work from anywhere and you can track all these things, you can reach with your products or services to anywhere. You can provide the services globally from just one laptop and internet connection. I really love this part. So what I get is freedom. What I get is, it is a dynamic field. It keeps you motivated that you have to work again. You have to, fit yourself. You have to fight and fit yourself to the new system. I really love this part. So this is why I'm here in this field. Why you are in digital marketing, why you want to learn digital marketing. You can post your feedback and comment, and let us know why you are doing this. I'll be really happy to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching.